In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Steam offline mode. By the end, you'll have Steam running in offline mode so you can open your Steam client and play installed games without an internet connection. First, open Steam while your computer is connected to the internet. This initial connection lets Steam switch into offline mode properly. On screen, you should see your Steam library and your account signed in as usual. Next, move to the top left corner of the Steam window and click the Steam menu. This is the small menu label that sits at the very top left next to the word library. Clicking it opens a drop-down with account and application options. From here, select Go Offline. Steam will show a prompt explaining that it will restart in offline mode. This simply restarts the Steam application. It doesn't uninstall anything, and it won't remove your games. While in offline mode, features that require the internet, like chat, online multiplayer, the store, community, and cloud syncing, will be unavailable. Your installed single-player games will still be accessible from your library. If you're comfortable with that, continue. Now click Restart in offline mode. Steam will close for a moment and then reopen. You'll see indicators that confirm the change. The title bar will mention offline mode, and network-dependent sections like store or community won't load. Your friends list will also show as offline. This is expected and confirms that offline mode is active. At this point, your library remains available. You can select an installed game and click play to launch it. Any download queues will pause while you're offline, and updates will resume the next time you return online. If a game specifically needs an internet connection for certain features, those features won't work in offline mode, but the game will otherwise start normally if it supports offline play. You don't need to change anything else here. The key action was restarting Steam into offline mode. If you're recording or following along, take a quick look around the interface so you're familiar with how offline mode appears. The store tab won't refresh, community pages won't load, and you'll see offline indicators near your profile and friends list. Your library filters and search still work, and you can organize or launch installed titles the same way you do when online. Once that's done, you have everything set. Steam is now running in offline mode and will stay this way until you switch back online. The essential steps were opening Steam while online, clicking the Steam menu, choosing Go Offline, and restarting in offline mode. There's nothing further to configure for basic offline use. That's it. Steam is now in offline mode and ready to use. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.